Hi all, this is Bhavna, sponsored and mentored by Pragati and Prajwal. Today I am going to talk about hair fall. Hair fall refers to the loss of hair from the head. People normally have 1 lakh to 1.5 lakhs of hair on their heads, and the number of strands that fall off varies from person to person, but on an average it is almost nearing to 100. So there are two parts of the hair, like the hair follicle and the hair shaft. Hair follicle is nothing but the part that is below the skin, that is the scalp. It that is located in the dermis region, and it maintains the stem cells that helps to regrow the hair which has been falled off. Okay, so it is also referred to as the seed of the hair. Okay, the next comes is the hair shaft, which that extends from the hair follicle, that is what we see, the hair what we see, right? Each hair strand is made up of three zones mainly. The innermost region is called the medulla, which is composed of the oily substance. Then the middle part is called the cortex, which gives the strength to the hair, and it also contains melanin, which is responsible for the color of the hair. This part is also responsible for the water uptake, right? And the outermost part is called the cuticle, which provides nutrition for the nourishment and nutrition for the hair, right? Our hair normally needs nutrition in terms of needs nutrition on a regular basis, right? Many people use different kinds of cosmetics and all, and they only provide nutrition for the hair from outside, but the nutrition for the hair from inside also is required. Only washing the hair removes the dirt from the hair. Okay, but the nutrition also should be given from inside, right? We can look after our hair by changing our lifestyle, our food habits, and giving the right care by using right products for the hair. Right, our hair normally is made up of a tough protein called keratin, and the root of the hair needs nutrition in terms of proteins, vitamins, and minerals, and iron. Right, our hair normally are in three phases. Okay, so the first part, the 80 to 90% of the hair are in growth phase. The second phase, where 1 to 2% of the hair are in hair fall phase. Then 10 to 20% of the hair are in resting phase. So what happens is, when our protein intake is less, is reduced, then by a defense mechanism, what happens is, the number of hair that are there in growth phase move to the resting phase, and this is where the hair growth stops. And and when the protein intake is reduced, then hair fall also, our hair tends to become brittle and thin, and they fall off easily. And we can know about our hair fall only in 3 to 6 months or a year, right? So the main causes of hair fall are, like, there are many reasons as to why this hair fall happens, right? This is normally seen most in women. Then the normal causes are like nutritional deficiencies, stress, blood pressure, and the diabetes. Then the taking the birth control pills, and due to pollution, genetics, and hormonal imbalances. Then after the delivery, normally it happens when the estrogen levels falls down. Then normally almost from 3 to 5 months, the hair fall is very high, right? And also when the person has hypothyroidism, then hair fall also is seen. And upon all these, stress is the main reason as to why this hair fall happens, right? So here we have three types of hair fall here. The first hair fall condition, the main condition wherein we can see, is like the hair becomes broken down, that is the hair breakage. So why this happens? Our hair normally breaks from the middle. The hair is broken, and this happens when the cementing material, called the collagen, is loosened, right? And this normally happens when there is change of the climatic change in the climatic conditions, or there change in the water, change in water. So these are the main reasons as to why this happens. And we can see our hair fallen off on the floor or on the pillow when we get up, right? So for this, the main the neutralized solution what we can give is like Biotin Cherry Plus. So this can be taken twice a day. So this Biotin Cherry Plus which gives strength to the hair and promotes healthy hair and improves the skin and hair conditions, right? The next condition, type of hair fall that we have is the hair fall from the root, right? So this is seen when the scalp oxidation is reduced. Okay, that is the oxygen supply is reduced, by which our hair falls off from the root, right? And that is caused when we are low in vitamins and minerals. We have when there is lot of reduction in our intake of vitamins and minerals are reduced, then this condition happens, right? For this we can recommend daily, that is the multivitamin multimineral twice a day. Then along with this, protein powder can be given 2 scoops per day, morning and night. And as we know that protein is the main basic building block of our body and of the cells and tissues. This can be recommended. And next comes the hair density. Normally we see people saying that my hair density is getting reduced. Before I was having too much of hair, now I have very thin hair, right? So this happens when the hair follicles, that is the seed, gets weakened, and slowly the hair strength gets reduced and they finally fall off, right? So we can expect so this and when this happens, then slowly the person gets bald, gets the condition called the baldness. Okay, so we can't expect any solution at this stage. So we can say that the prevention is better than cure, right? So at this condition we can for this condition we can recommend the scalp tonic, which helps to increase the density of the hair, right? So along with this, the Salvin omega-3 can be given once or twice a day depending on their severity, and along with this the protein powder also can be given. So these are all the types of the hair fall that people experience. And it is not that, and if these supplements are almost given for about 3 to 6 months, then we can say that the hair fall can be reduced to a maximum extent. It is not that today you are taking the supplements and tomorrow your hair fall is getting reduced, but it takes some time to reduce the hair fall. So right, so this is all about the hair fall, and this is all from my side. Thank you so much.